This little hack was a game changer for me. Embed your Google Slides directly into your teaching website because when you change the slides during class, it's already updated your web page. So I really cannot overstate how much this has made my life simpler. First, look at it from my students' perspective. So under social studies, which I teach, I have the general information about class, and then each quarter has its own page. And then on that page, I have embedded the Google slideshow that I use each day. There's first quarter stuff, second quarter stuff. So for example, here we're about to start second quarter. The first unit in the second quarter is our fourth of the quarter, the religion unit here. So they can click on this button on that day. And that's exactly what we're doing that day. It's got the agenda, it's got the videos I want them to watch, it's even got the link to the assignment they're supposed to complete after they watch that, all linked directly there, but it's also directly on my website. So here's how I did that. So here's my social structures Google slideshow for the social structure unit, and each of the slides individually goes to a different lesson or a different day of the, this is a 3-week unit of the 3-week unit. So that when they go there, we just click the button. It makes it real easy to get there. So you're going to change. I'm going to hit change and slide in the presentation. And then I just have to pick the slide number that corresponds with day 3's lesson slide. And that slides in the presentation for day 3. And link it, and then it'll go from there. So the way I put it on my website is I go to File, Publish to the Web, Embed. And when you do that, File, Publish to the Web, Embed, you'll hit this Publish button, and it'll say, are you sure? And I'm going to say, yes, I'm sure. I want to get this embed code. You Control-C or Command-C, copy this embed code, and bring it to your website. I use WordPress, so here's that page with the fourth quarter. I'm just going to put some words at the top of where it's going to be embedded, Unit 7, Social Structures. And then below that, I'm going to click Text and paste that code. That's how it works on WordPress. I'll hit Update, and now it's there. Anytime I change anything in my social structure unit slides, it's already on my website, embedded there. If you look at the fourth quarter page, and it's there. If I click any of those buttons, it's bringing you to the slides that I already have, and as soon as I change the slides, it's already on the website. You can embed it into many different websites, not just WordPress. I will link some YouTube tutorials on how to do these other sites. I don't have association with these particular YouTube channels, just found their tutorials helpful, so I'm going to include them in the description box below. And I've made some Google Slide templates. If you visit my Teacher Speaks Volumes Teacher Pay Teacher store, just go here to the custom categories and click on Google Slide templates. I've already made like that header with all the buttons, and it's already pre-linked to the correct lesson day slides. All you have to do is embed code and type away at your stuff. So if you're interested in having that part done for you, or you would just like to see something other than those usual themes that Google Slides already has ready for you, and you'd like to check that out, forgive me the shameless plug, but that would be awesome. I hope that this hack saves you as much time as it saves me, and if this was helpful at all, please like, share, subscribe the video. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it.